Phosphorus. Phosphorus most abundant element in the earth crust in this group. In fifth group, in 50A group, most abundant element in 50A group, most abundant element in earth crust. And also in among the all elements, phosphorus is 11th most abundant. 11th most abundant among the all elements. In earth crust. So in this group, in earth crust, most abundant element. At the same time, it is the 11th most abundant in the among the all elements in the earth crust. Next, this phosphorus generally present as a phosphorite minerals form. Phosphorite minerals form. In combined state exists as a phosphorite mineral, and also it exists in bones, teeth, milk, in bones, teeth, and also in milk and egg. Having a phosphogenous proteins state. Phosphogenous proteins form on milk, egg also it is present. Next, phosphorus some minerals. Number 1, phosphorite, calcium phosphate, calcium oxide, and PO4 taken 6. The phosphorite formula is this. And the second one, fluoropatite formula, 3 moles of calcium phosphate and calcium chloride. Next, chloropatite formula, 3 moles of calcium phosphate with calcium chloride. Next, fourth one, hydroxyapatite formula, 3 moles. Here also 3 moles of calcium phosphate and calcium hydroxide. So these are the minerals of phosphorite minerals exist in the nature. Next, then the remaining other than phosphorus, the other elements, arsenic, antimony H-divine, and bismuth. These are exist as sulfide minerals, sulfide minerals. Exist as sulfide minerals. In its abundance is very less compared to nitrogen and phosphorus. Very less, and these are exist in the form of sulfide ores or sulfide minerals form. These are exist. Next, General properties. General properties. Okay, general properties. General properties. In these group elements, general properties, if you see first atomic size, so atomic size or ionic size or covalent size, anything you can take. So generally top to bottom in these group elements atomic sizes increases. Top to bottom mean nitrogen to bismuth atomic sizes are increases. So nitrogen to phosphorus atomic sizes are increases. Phosphorus, arsenic, stibine and bismuth. Here nitrogen to phosphorus more increase. Then after the increase in size is less predominant. From phosphorus, increase in size is less predominant. Increase in size, less predominant. And due to less shielding effect of d orbitals. So these elements have poor shielding effect containing d orbitals. So due to poor shielding effect of d orbitals, the sizes increases but not much increases. Sizes are increases from phosphorus to bismuth also, but less increase due to poor shielding effect. Reason due to because poor shielding effect of d orbitals, and for last elements due to f orbital. Next to physical state. Here nitrogen is a gas, and phosphorus and remaining all elements, remaining all solids. Remaining all elements are solids. Melting points and boiling points. Melting and boiling points. So from nitrogen to arsenic increase, then after decrease. That means for antimony and bismuth due to crystal lattice, different crystal lattice. Due to crystal lattice, size of melting point decrease. Melting point decrease. In the case of melting points, boiling points also left to right increases. Boiling points also left to right increases. Next, here you see order, nitrogen is less than phosphorus, then after nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and is greater than stibine is greater than bismuth. Next, this is a melting point order. In the case of boiling point order, nitrogen have less, then after phosphorus, then after arsenic, then after stibine and bismuth. the